All right, this question is taken from the June 2014 paper, and it says, given that a cube plus b cube plus 3a squared b is equal to 5ab squared, show that 3 log a plus b over 2 is equal to log a plus 2 log b. Go ahead, pause the video and attempt this question. All right, so as we're about to attempt this question right here, well, they said given, so we know we need to utilize this. But first thing, let's recall a plus b all cube. What is a plus b all cube? This is equal to a cube plus 3a squared b plus 3ab squared plus b cube. Yeah, right. That's how we expand a plus b all cube. Now, once you remember this formula, it becomes so easy because I'm going to underline a cube, the 3a squared b, and the b cube. That part together adds up to be 5ab. That's what they said. So what we're then saying is that a plus b all cube is going to be equal to, that's 5ab squared plus 3ab squared. Now we're nice because 5ab squared plus 3ab squared is 8ab squared. So we get a plus b all cube is equal to 8ab squared. So now what we can do is we can go ahead now and take the log of both sides. We can go ahead and take the log of both sides, or another revelation came a while ago. What we could do is we can even simplify it further. You may wonder how. Look at this. If we divide both sides by 8, right? Let's proceed to divide both sides by 8. Dividing both sides by 8, what we end up get is a plus b all cube divided by 8. And 8 is really 2 cube. That's equal to ab squared. Now we can rewrite this as saying a plus b over 2 all cube is equal to ab squared. So now we can go ahead and take the log of both sides. So that implies now that the log of a plus b over 2 all cube would be equal to the log of ab squared. But by laws of logarithm, we can always bring down the power. So that would become 3 times the log of a plus b over 2. And that's equal to, we can separate the log of ab squared as log a plus log b squared. And so finally, we can bring down the power of 2 and write finally 3 log a plus b over 2 is equal to log a plus 2 log b. That's your final answer. Proven, and it was really nice. It wasn't too bad. It was really nice actually. All right? So that's how we would do that question here. Proven. Really nice. All right? Lovely. All right, now as we did the log equation, you may go ahead and, attempt this question right here. We're not going to work out this one because we just did a question like this, but this is from 2014. You can go ahead and attempt solving log equations like these. All right, so go ahead and attempt it. All right. Now, this question was taken from the June 2015 past paper, and it says, show that 1 over log base a of x is equal to ln a over ln x, and then hence or otherwise solve that equation down there. This was taken from the 2015 paper, so go ahead and attempt it. All right, now the first part we have 1 over log base a of x, right? And we need to show that this is equal to ln A over ln X. So what we need to do is change this to base E, right? We need to change this to base E. So look what we're going to do. So our left-hand side, this is equal to 1 over log base A of X. Now, this is a law of logarithm that I always want you to remember. Remember that the log of a base of a number is equal to 1 over the log, following it, it's equal to 1 over the log of n of b. All right, always remember this rule right here. You might say, why do I need to know that? Why we need to know that is because we can then rewrite this as saying that this is saying that we have log of, think of your base here as being n. So when we had n, this is your n, your a is your n, and your b is your x. So we can rewrite this as log base x of the number a. Yeah. So all of that right there is just log base x of a. Okay. Now we need to use change of base law and change this to log base e. So this is now log base e of a divided by log base e of x. Now log base e of a is ln, so that becomes ln a divided by log base e of x is ln x. So it proves it. So therefore, 1 over log base a of x is equal to ln a over ln x. And we've proved it quite easily. All right, really nice. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So you must remember this law that we put down here in black, and you must also remember change of base law, and you'll be fine. Now the second part says, hence, it wants you to solve the equation log base 2 of x plus log 1 over log base 2 of x plus 1 over log base 3 of x plus 1 over log base 4 of x plus 1 over log base 5 of x equal to 1. So let's do it on this page right here. So we have 1. Let's go. 1 over log base 2 of x plus 1 over log base 3 of x plus 1 over log base 4 of x plus 1 over log base 5 of x, that is equal to 1. So log base 2 of x, 1 over log base 2 of x, using that we can conclude that it is ln a over ln x. In this case, our a is 2. So this is going to be ln 2 over ln x plus, this is then going to be ln 3 over ln x plus, this is then going to be ln 4 over ln x plus, this is then going to be ln 5 over ln x equal to 1. Now, what are we going to do next? We can factor out 1 over ln x. Factoring out 1 over ln x, it's going to become 1 over ln x into, all right, into, we're left back with ln 2, ln 3, ln 4 plus ln 5. And that's equal to 1, all right? All I did was just factor out 1 over ln x. That's all I did. Now, using logarithm, log a plus log b plus log c plus log d, we can just multiply them. So this becomes 1 over ln x times, in bracket, ln 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, using laws of logarithm. Now, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 5 is 120. So this becomes 1 over ln x is equal to 1 over ln 120. Now, let's not skip any step, all right? I was just about to skip a step, and I do not want to skip any step. So let me just go back a little bit, a slow backtrack. All right, so remember, in the bracket now we have ln 120. That's equal to 1. What I'm saying is if we divide both sides by ln 120, dividing both sides by ln 120, what we're going to see happen is 120 here cancels 120 there. And so we're left back with 1 over ln x is equal to 1 over ln 120. And so therefore, x is equal to 120. And that is our answer. X is 120. All right, so this was fairly simple, fairly nice, really easy. All right, so x works out to be 120. So just to go back around here, here's a question. Just to write the answer here, x is 120. Now, you can always go ahead and check it in a calculator and see that it is true. I always love when you bring out your calculator and check it. Just check it. Just check it. So bring out our calculator and we're going to check it. Here we go. 1 over log base 2 of 120 plus 1 over log base 3 of 120 plus 1 over log base 4 of 120 plus 1 over log base 5 of 120. And remember, the answer should give us 1. Let's check and see if we get the 1. Absolutely. How could we not? So x is definitely 120. All right. So really nice. And so that's another practice question on logarithms in CAPE mathematics.